How to transfer apps on Android. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you guys the easiest way to transfer apps from one Android to another. So, without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the easiest way to transfer apps on Android is by using an app called ShareIt. You can download it from your Google Play Store, open it up, then search for ShareIt. After you search for ShareIt, this is the app right here. So this is the app right here. Tap on the install button to install the app. After you install the app should start installing, and depending on your internet speed, it can take some time. And after it installs, you can open it up. After you open it up, tap on continue by agreeing to the terms and conditions. Then tap on allow. Tap on allow again. And head back and then tap on, if you want notifications, you can tap on continue. I'll tap on ignore. Now from here, all you have to do is install the same app on your other phone or on another Android device. Then from the device that you want to send the app, tap on the send option. Then select the app that you want to share. Then tap on send. Then all you have to do is allow it the permission and scan the code from for the another device. After you scan it, your file transfer should begin and you're good to go. And that's how you do it, guys, and that is the easiest way to transfer apps on Android. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.